Hello, so today let's find the solution of useEffect rendering twice in a React application. So what we're gonna do is let's just create a use effect to check the problem first. For example, I am console logging a certain just say anything like clicked or mounted and giving it a dependency array as empty. So technically, it should only be rendered once because there's no variable in a dependency array to depend on. Let's save it. And yeah, mounted is being rendered twice. Now, how to solve this? How to let it render once? So the problem is pretty much simple. Go to the index.js. So by default, whenever a app is being created, by default it's only a React strict mode. Just remove the strict mode, and we are good to go. Let's now whenever I am reloading it, it is being mounted only once. You are not seeing mounted as being rendered twice. Thank you.